The sneezing elephant. In the middle of the jungle lived Ellie the elephant. But Ellie had a tiny big problem. She couldn't stop sneezing. Achoo! The trees shook. Monkeys fell off branches. Birds flew in every direction. Bless you, giggled the animals. But Ellie felt bad. Sorry, she sniffled. I don't mean to sneeze so much. Everyone gasped, then cheered. The next day, as the animals were trying to collect jungle fruits for the feast, Ellie sneezed again. Achoo! And whoosh! All the fruits flew off the trees and landed right into a big basket. Ellie, you're amazing! You just collected all the fruit. Ellie smiled, her trunk wiggling with pride. Guess sneezing isn't so bad after all. The end. And from that day on, Ellie became the jungle's official fruit sneezer, with a tickly trunk and a heart full of joy.